basically we required to do the question. Okay, so what we need to do firstly is we need to have Anaconda first. Okay, Anaconda. So how to ni? You require to go to this link. Okay, anaconda.com download success. Okay, so this is a link for Anaconda lah. Okay, and then if you're using Windows, you can download here. Okay, not Windows. And if you're using Mac, you can download here. Okay, and then if you're using Linux, you can download here. But the thing is, I know most of you guys are using Windows, right? You can download here lah. Okay, so this is the link, anaconda.com download success. After download, then you're required to do the installation. For information, on my laptop already installed Anaconda, so no need to worry about it. Okay, then after that, you required to download the Visual Studio. This one for editor, source code editor. Okay, so for the source code editor, we are using Visual Studio, and then this is the link, code.visualstudio.com, and then you download for Windows, and after that do the installation as well. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so this is for the requirement. Okay, and then let me open this one. Okay, after that is next step is we are required to set up the Python. Okay, after do the installation, so this is the Anaconda. Okay, then this is for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is the thing that we already downloaded. Okay, this is the Visual Code. So for this time we are using Visual Code, because if I open anything in my PC, the PC will become hang. Okay, because this one is also heavy. Okay, and then after that is we required to do the setup the Python. Okay, how to set up the Python? We need to check. So firstly we need to go to the Anaconda. Okay, Anaconda, open it, click home, and after that click environment. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so this is best. This is for environment, current environment of the Python. Okay, so this is the Python package. So it says Python. Is it Python is listed here or not? It says as you can see here, this one already installed, so no need to worry. Python, and after that we need to check. Okay, pass, and after that we need to check whether pip this one, is it listed or not? pip. Okay, done, already listed. So this is the things that we should have in Anaconda, the important things. Okay, after having the after we already checked the Python and pip, let's say if we don't have a Python, we require to do the installation. Okay, how to do the installation? Let's say if you don't have a Python and pip, so you just search at Google lah. Okay, search the Python, install Python, just type install Python. Okay, so this one you just download and install as well. Same goes with pip, but pip a little bit different. So pip install pip, you just search install pip, and then just click here, and after that you can see okay. Firstly, if you want to install pip, download this source code. Okay, download this source code, get pip.py. Okay, get pip.py. After download it, okay, this source code you create, and after that you need to run this source code. Okay, how to, I mean, you need to install this source code. Okay, how to install it? By using python get pip.py. Okay, so this is the in case, let's say, this one should be done in the CMD. This should be done, let's say, if your PC don't have Python or pip. Okay, but since our Anaconda already having this kind of this Python and pip, so don't need to worry. And I believe, let's say if you install Anaconda at your PC, you need to worry about the Python pip. And I believe your PC will be equipped by Python and pip also, because you already installed Anaconda. Okay, done. Done for the Python and pip. And then now it's time for go to the training. Okay, as we see at the question, here, okay, we are required to use this dataset. Actually you can use any dataset that you wanted lah. Okay, but this one is just a sample only. Okay, because this is an open source. Okay, you just go to the Kaggle, and then here you're required to download the dataset. Okay, sign in with the Google's. Okay, as usual, sign in, then you can download the dataset. Okay, so click here and then you can download it. The thing is, after you download the dataset, download dataset. Okay, you can download. Okay, download dataset. It's a 2 gig. So we're waiting. Okay, now now we already download the dataset, and then we now open it. So and then after that we extract it. Okay. Okay, so this is dataset. Okay, actually this dataset is very huge. Okay, the thing is we just take the important things. Okay, so let me teach you what kind of the dataset that we should get it. Okay, first of all, we just take grab dataset only, grab only, grab dataset. So we just copy, okay, copy and paste. Okay, paste it here, copy and paste it here. Okay, because dataset is very huge. Okay, the thing is, since this one is just lab experiment, because I want you to understand how to deal with Anaconda, how to deal with your code, and how to deal with the Python package and everything. So for me, we just use a little bit data only, because more data, so that's mean your model become very huge. Actually, it's better if you use many data, but however, if for in this case we just use a little bit data only, because I want to show you how to using. Okay, so this one valid, we just delete it. Okay, okay, and then we just using the test and test and test and trend only. Okay, this one you can delete. Okay, and this one you can delete it. Okay, okay, for test. Okay, for test black missile, so we have many image, right? Okay, so here in this case we just use 10 image only, 10 image only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this means the rest you can delete it. Okay, the rest you can delete it. Same goes with the other picture. This part we call is a data cleaning. Because in data cleaning we need to choose a suitable data only. Okay, so it sounds like I'm teaching you from A until Z, zero until hero. Okay, we not just exploring the how to use the uh, Anaconda. Actually, I'm teaching you how to deal with the data also. Okay, same goes with the training data. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in this case we just delete uh, unimportant data, make it as a 10 picture for each folder. Okay, okay, so now, okay, now we have a we already done this one. 10 10 10. Okay, so now we need to rename all the file with the 1, 2, 3 name. Okay, the reason is because we need to call the name file, right? As we can see here, the name of the file is too long. Okay, how to, I mean, it's very difficult for us to call with this kind of the name, right? So that's why we need to rename as a more easier name, such as 1.jpg and something like that. Okay, one. The reason is because we want to make it easier to call, because this name, okay, this name, if you want to call this file, we need to put this name file at our source code. So just imagine how we can copy it. One file is okay, but how about 2 files, 3 files? Maybe we can get tired, or maybe when we try to call the name, maybe we make a mistake. So that's why we need to make it easier. So you need to rename it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that easier lah, easier for you to do the calling. Okay, so all of this file is you required to rename it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lah. 6. Nine, 10. Okay, so same goes with the grab black rod, get healthy. You're required to do same, because okay, all of this file name is long, so you need to rename as a 1, 2, 3 JPEG. Okay, same goes with other folder also. Okay, so you need to do, okay, so to make it short, actually I already rename it. Okay, I already rename it. Okay, so this is the file that I already renamed. I already rename it. I think it's better for me to make a new file. Okay. Okay, I want to replace. I want to replace with the folder. I mean the file name that already renamed as a 1, 2, 3. Okay. So as we can see here, okay. Sorry. Oh, ini belum rename. Okay, I think I need to rename. Okay, I rename. 1, 2, 3. This one for this. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, same goes with this, with the others. Okay, 2, 3, 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, same goes with the other category, yeah. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Okay, so for testing we already rename it. Okay, for training, for training folder, this one no need to rename, but if you want to rename, it's up to you. Okay, because the training file, why I'm not renaming the training file, we will put in the Google Teachable machine. Okay, so now we already make a data cleaning. Okay, now it's time for you. This one I rename as a plan. This is okay. Now it's time for you to go to the teachable machine here. So where is the teachable machine? So just here, click the teachable machine. So this is a teachable machine, and then click here, new project, image project. Okay. So basically we need to have a 3 different class, because we have a 3 different classification, right? Okay. So in this division we just use a trend folder. Okay, this one rename, for example, grab black missiles, and yes, rename it. This one second part is a grab black rod. Third one is a grab healthy. Then we can add the sample image uploaded from the file. Then goes with use one. Okay, the last one, grab healthy. Okay, now it's time to do the training. Okay, so it will take sometimes, okay, of course it will require very huge internet connection. Okay, so the model has been trained. Okay, now it's time to export the model. Okay, so here we can download our model. Okay, so now it's converting. So after this we will see the model will be downloaded. Okay, so this is the source code that we are using. Okay, the source code we are using. Okay, so now we waiting for the teachable machine giving us the model. Okay, now the new model has been downloaded. Okay, so it's time for us to do the ni. Okay, firstly we need to paste the source code lah. Okay, we can use a text document if you want. Okay, and then save this one. We say as a plan disease.py. .py. And then the model we have here, monetary model. Okay, so this is the model that already just download, right? So we just extract it. Okay, and then we need to copy it and put at our working folder. So this is the working folder, plant disease. Okay, we paste it here. Okay, so now we already have the model, we already have the source code that we obtained from this one. Okay, now it's time to open the source code. Okay, so the source code you can open it by using a sudo Visual Studio Code lah. Okay, it's better for you to see. Actually you can edit by using Notepad, it's okay. Notepad also can, but it's up to you. But for me, Visual Studio Code is better because in Visual Studio Code we can see more clear because have a color and everything. Okay, okay, so this is the things that we need to edit lah. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so for the lot model, so we need to make it, this one is a lower uppercase. Okay, make it same label text. Okay, same, and the image path. So this one is the image for the testing. Okay, so that's why I'm saying testing we need to make it as a make it as a lower case lah. Make it as a one, rename it as a 1, 2, 3 because easier for us to call. If not, we need to put it here. Okay, the name, because the name is long. Okay, and then replace the one.jpg. Okay, understand? Now it's time to save. Okay, save, and then you can close it. Okay, so that's all. So this one is testing. Let's say if you want to test number 2, and so just copy and put at outside here, and then this one delete, and then call add the plant disease.py. This is it. Okay, and then what we should, now we go to the Anaconda. Okay, so okay, now is there is a question. Okay, in Anaconda we need to install the, as we can see here, in the source code. If we open at the source code here, okay, there are 3 different library. Sorry. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. First is library Keras actually from TensorFlow. Okay, so that's mean first library is a TensorFlow, we need to look it. Second is Pillow. Third is numpy. Okay, there are 3 library that we need to find. Okay, Keras is under TensorFlow lah, so this means TensorFlow, Pillow and numpy. Okay, the question is, okay, this kind of the package or library have different kind of the version. Okay, the question is what is the right version for this one? I mean for the TensorFlow, what version? Okay, so here I just want to give you easy solution because we are training by using third party software. This one we call as third party software. Okay, we are training using a teachable machine. So now there is no instruction. They say what kind of the teaching what kind of the version that we should use in order to read this kind of the model. So I'm suggesting you go to the ChatGPT. Okay, go to ChatGPT. Ask to ChatGPT what is the suitable version for the TensorFlow, Pillow, and numpy. Okay, just ask the TensorFlow first. Okay, what is the right version of TensorFlow if I using teachable machine for training? Okay, just ask this one. So here we can see it says the 2.6, 2.8, 2.10. Okay, so maybe we can choose either with it, not too modern, not too old. So maybe 2.9. So we choose 2.1 between in it. Okay, 2.6, 2.8, 2.9, 2.10, something like that. So we just between. So this trick is not written in any notebook. This trick is come from me. So because I'm a software engineer, so usually I will prefer the middle one. I'm not using I not prefer the latest one. I not prefer the oldest one. I prefer the middle one. So the latest is a 2.10. We can use it, but just a little bit old, 2.9. Okay, so we choose a 2 TensorFlow 2.9. Okay, so this is the first version that we can choose. TensorFlow is to 2.9. Okay, we write here. So TensorFlow is a 2.9.0. Okay, how about the pillow? Okay, so we go to the Python package, just for the reference only, Python pip lah. Okay, so this one is a Python package library. So we search a pillow. There are many version. Many version. Oh, this is referring for the Python. Okay, we're looking for the Python only. TensorFlow first. TensorFlow 2.9.0. TensorFlow. So we see the release history. We're looking for 2.9.0 on this one. And then as we can see 2.90, we see Python. So this is a programming language that supported. Okay, as I mentioned before, trick as developer, don't choose the lowest one, don't choose the highest one, choose the middle. So maybe like this, Python 3.9. So we choose a Python 3.9. Okay, so the Python, the software, the programming language that we're using, Python 3.9. Okay, now we go to the TensorFlow, Pillow. Okay, Pillow. So Pillow need to choose a, yeah, it support 3.9, right? So this means is corresponding. So below can, no need to worry. What else? What is library that we need to find? Numpy. Okay, numpy. Okay, numpy. Numpy we are using. We need to find the history. Release history. Okay. So we try to 2.00. Okay. Python 3.9. This one also can. Okay. How about this one? It have a 3.9 also. So this one also can. So it's up to you. You can use a numpy 2.00 or numpy 1.26.4. So it's I think I just use a numpy. It's up to you. Okay. You can use a numpy 1.26.4. The thing is it must correspond with the Python 3.9. Python with Python 3.9 here. Okay. So these are specific things that we want to looking for. Okay. Okay, now we already obtained the requirement. So we need to use a Python 3.9, TensorFlow 2.9.0, below numpy. Okay, we start, actually the thing is, the trick is we start from the TensorFlow. What is a suitable TensorFlow that we want to look? We ask the ChatGPT. So from the TensorFlow to 2.9.0, we want to see what is the right Python that we should, what right version of Python we should use, and from there we can obtain the right library that we should install. Okay, so this is the library that we should install. Okay, now we can go to the Anaconda navigator. So firstly we go to the home. Okay, and after that go to the environment, and now we can click here, open the terminal. Okay, okay, now it's time to create the new environment. So this is the environment. We have a three different. Currently we have a root, sasat 2, and now I want to create the new environment. Okay, sasat 3. Okay, it's up to you. What name that you want? So conda create name. So Python. So what is the Python version that we are looking for? 3.3.9. Like this. Okay, so now it's creating the creating the new environment of the, and after that we need to activate it. Wrong, misspelling, sorry, wrong misspelling. Sorry, wrong misspelling. We do it again. Okay, open terminal, conda create name, environment is sasat. Okay, new environment, new environment, new environment, Python 3.9. Okay, should be like this. Now we activate lah. Conda activate new environment. Now we have created this one is appear here. Okay, so now it's time to do the installation of the library that we are looking for. Python we already installed it, Python 3.9. Okay, edit equipment. Okay, and after that tensorflow below numpy. Okay, so how to install? Okay, so pip install tensorflow 2.9.0. Okay, already done the TensorFlow installation. Now it's time to install another library, which is below what version? Below current version. Okay, and after that numpy 126.4. Okay, so we're waiting for the installation. Okay, done. So after done, so it's time to test it whether TensorFlow is working or not. So this one is no error, this is just warning only. Okay, because my PC don't have a GPU, so it's just normal PC. Okay, so now, okay, so no need to worry, so I think it's okay. So now we can exit it, we can close it. Okay, and then we can try to do to run the Python programming. Okay, so firstly we need to change the environment, new environment, because currently it's a base, current base. Okay, change it. Conda activate new env Okay. Okay. New environment. Ni N patutnya. Ah, oh spelling pula. Okay, already switch. Okay, now it's time to run the source code. Okay, so firstly, before we can run the source code, okay, we need to know the directory of the our source code. Okay, so where is the source code? Source code is here, and then the location of the source code is C user dumbu downloads plan this is. So current ni C user dumbu. So we need to find the download folder and plan this is before we can reach this this file name, right? Okay, how to reach this? Okay, so firstly we need to go to the downloads first, kan? So you can dir first, dir, and we show all the file directory under there. Okay, so where is the download? So download is here, so we need to go to the download, and after that is how to go to download. dir refer to the stand for the listing all the file and folder. cd is go to the folder, to that particular folder, documents. Okay, so already to go to documents, and after that is plan this is. Okay, cd plan this is. Okay, sorry, cd, the name is must write cd plan d c a c. What's wrong?
You said we should go to download, not document.
Ah, betul. Sorry, mata juling. Sorry. So we need to reverse back, close in. So seems like you are pay attention what I'm doing. It's good. We try again. Mana tadi? Sometimes when we see too many folder, we are confused download and document. Okay, so this one we try again. Dir is listing. So downloads. Okay, so cd downloads. CD downloads. After CD downloads, then go to the CD plan this is. Okay. Okay, now if you want to listing the file, dir, dir. Okay, remember just two things that you need to remember: dir and cd. Dir for listing, cd for the choose the particular file. So as you can see here, plan this py. Okay, so now it's time to run. How to run? So Python, so and then plan this is .py. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Baik. Got the error a little bit. Okay, I need to turn off this one. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm not. Actually, I should use the gaming laptop to do this. Okay, if I using, so become more easier. Okay, to run this one. Not recognize. Oh, sorry, this one is best. Sorry. Okay, this one is best. I should change to the new environment. Allahu Akbar. Okay, this is the best environment, so I should change to this one, new environment. So conda activate. Allahu Akbar. Masya Allah, subhanallah. La ilaha illallah. Allah wa la quwwata illa billah. Very sorry. So this new environment. Okay. Okay, so the question is it best and new environment is different? Yes, this is a different because I'm creating new environment. So I already set the new library for this one, new particular package, which is, as we can see, this is the things that I choose, right? I already set in it, but not best. So that's why it got error. Okay, and then it's time to run the source code. Okay, so patient. Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar. So dear, go to downloads. Okay, downloads, and then cd plan. This is okay. Now to listen so plan this is okay. Auzubillahi minasyaitonir ya Allah. Python plan this is py. Okay, so as you can see here is done. Okay, the thing is, let me explain to you. This is what is this one. Okay, this is a warning from the Anaconda that tell I don't have a GPU because I'm using a normal laptop. Okay, normal laptop. So if you have a gaming laptop like apa nama tu, apa nama yang gaming laptop sekarang ni, Dell, ada lupa lah. Gaming laptop, if you have a gaming laptop, you have a GPU on that, so you need to turn on the GPU. Okay, and of course, if you're using a gaming laptop, you don't have this kind of the warning. This one is not error, this one is just warning only. Okay, it just tell I'm not using a gaming laptop, and the output is here. Okay, class grab. So basically what I'm trying to say, the code or source code is successful. Okay, it can detect grab black missiles. Understand? So the picture we are put here is from, you can categorize this one is a grab black missile. Okay, now it's time to, maybe we can try to another one. Okay, another one, we put a healthy picture. So this one is healthy picture. Put here. Okay, and then after that we change the source code. Plan this why we change as a 2. So this is the reason why I'm using I need to rename the testing file. The reason is because of this. If you put too long name file, is very difficult you to edit lah, kan? Then save number 2, and then after that we rerun and again. Is it 2? This one is 1, not 2. 1. Okay, because it's 1. Okay, we run again. Okay, give a warning because I don't have a GPU. I'm not using a gaming laptop. Okay, so this is the output that we are looking for, grab healthy. Now it can detect the new file is a healthy. Any questions so far? Allah Akbar. Okay, so I believe maybe it consider a little bit tricky when dealing with this. So this is the machine learning. Okay, because actually this knowledge is very important for you. You can keep it. You can keep it, and then after this, let's say you have a workshop 2 or PSM, you can implement this kind of the knowledge. Okay, because you will deal with the, as long as you deal with the image processing, you need to use the Anaconda. Okay, because it's related with the creating the model, doing the machine learning, something like that. Okay, just a little bit programming, but more in the configuration of the library or package, right? Uh, okay, okay. Any question so far? Want to ask? Boleh. Hello, senyap je. Tadi ada cakap. Ni senyap pula. Allah Akbar. Okay, so if no question, I think
Boleh doktor.
boleh So I think maybe I can close because this is it lah. I can show you. So what you need to do is just do the screenshot. You need to test all the picture here. Okay, not training. Training you already done it because training the all the image already put inside the model, right? What you need to do, you need to test all the image. Okay, satu, dua, tiga. Okay, because you have a 30 image kan. This one 10, this one 10, this one 10. So total life is 30. So you need to test 30 and then you need to do the screenshot. For example, this image, screenshot lah, just a bit screenshot, grab healthy, confidence score 0.99 something like that. So do a screenshot like that lah. You can make a table, it's up to you. But the thing is you need to test for all the image. Okay, so I think that's all. If no question, I think that's all my teaching for our lab session. Okay, so I believe after this you will need to work together with your friend to do the AI project. And also, let's say if you have any problem with this part, okay, you can ask me during lab session. Okay, you can ask me during lab session. The thing is, you need to bring your own laptop, and then you can meet me during lab session. So easier for me to guide you how to do the AI project, can. But for the lecture session, I think not suitable because we have too many students here. And then of course during the lecture session, we do have a particular of the desktop that I can show to you. But in the lab, we have a particular special laptop that Anaconda already installed in that PC. So easier for me to show to you. Okay, if you have any problem with the project, just come to me to the lab session only. Please remember lab session only. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So we go to the attendance part. So any question? So I close the record lah.